In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable notifications on MetaTrader 5. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you never miss an important update from your trading platform. Let's start from the very beginning. First, make sure MetaTrader 5 is open on your computer. If it's not already running, go ahead and launch the program the way you normally would. Give it a moment to load fully so that all the menus and charts are visible. Once MetaTrader 5 is open, look towards the top of the window for the main menu bar. You should see several options listed horizontally, such as File, View, and others. What you want to click on here is Tools. This is where many of the platform's general settings are located. Move your mouse over Tools and left-click to open the drop-down menu. In that Tools menu, look for the item labeled Options. This is the central place where you can adjust most of your MetaTrader 5 preferences. Go ahead and click Options. A new window will pop up, usually in the center of your screen. This window has several tabs across the top, each one grouping different kinds of settings. From here, you want to find the tab labeled Notifications. Click on that tab to bring up all the notification-related settings. This is where you control whether the platform can send you alerts, typically to your mobile device through the MetaTrader app, or in some cases to other connected services. Inside the Notifications tab, look for a checkbox that says Enable Push Notifications. This option allows MetaTrader 5 to send alerts, such as trade executions, price alerts, or other events, directly to your linked devices. To turn this feature on, simply click the checkbox so that it becomes selected. Make sure it is clearly checked. This indicates that push notifications are now enabled. Before you finish, take a quick moment to review what you've just changed. If the Enable Push Notifications box is checked and you're on the Notifications tab, you're in the right place. Now, to save your changes, move down to the bottom of the Options window and click OK. This confirms your settings and closes the window. Your notifications are now enabled in MetaTrader 5, and the platform is ready to send you alerts according to your configured preferences and any additional settings you may adjust later. That's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled notifications on MetaTrader 5.